Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here today with a super last minute, and by super last minute I mean it is Monday night and Halloween is Wednesday and my work Halloween party is tomorrow. I actually saw this idea for a Halloween costume on Pinterest back in July. I am going to be a piñata. Which is really funny to say because I feel like people aren't gonna know what I am, but as soon as they see it, they'll be like, oh yeah! So I'm just hoping people understand. We'll see. What you need for this project is super simple. Hence why I am doing it so last minute. First, you'll need some party hats. I got these in a pack of 12, I think, from Amazon. What I'm planning on doing, I think, is taking two, so I can kind of go like this, like a piñata, like how it normally has little horns. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see. Then I got this dress. It's just a white bodycon dress from Amazon. Here, I'll put some footage in of me wearing it. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. I just tried it on, you guys, and I got a large for size reference. I'm normally a medium. And the reviews just kind of said to size up. It is super soft. It goes right to my knees, which is exactly what I wanted for a bodycon dress. Just because I am wearing it to work, I do want it to be work appropriate. And then also, it is cold here in New England, so I need to cover up as much as possible. And then finally, I got 7 different colors of streamers from Walmart, just for 97 cents each. And then finally, all you will need is some scissors to cut the streamers. I just have tape on hand in case. And finally, my trusty handy dandy glue gun. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with the glue gun is put it on a low heat. While my glue gun is heating up, I'm gonna start cutting some streamers. So I think my plan is to do basically just blocks of colors. So thinking maybe 3 rows of each color and then just keep alternating. I'm just gonna kind of cut these into a size that I like. I'm not trying to be here all night gluing, so I'm not gonna do them super tiny. Maybe I want it a little shorter. Okay, we cut it in half. Ooh, okay, I like that better. Now we just cut a lot of streamers. I feel like there's also a way to make this more efficient, and I'm just totally not doing it. But that's fine. We have a lot of yellows. Let's keep going. Okay, I think I'm going to do an orange next. I'm trying to figure out what order I want the colors in. I think I want to do yellow, and then orange, and then maybe the pink. Okay, I found a little bit more efficient way, guys. When you're cutting, just don't let the streamer drop. Just keep holding it as you cut the next one and the next one and the next one. I'm really excited. I think this will be cute. I think I'm gonna bring some candy to hand out too, because piñatas. Okay, and then after orange, I think I'm going to do the pink. No, I changed my mind. I'm going to do red. I found a way to cut the streamers that's actually easier. If you just leave it as a roll, you can just keep pulling it. We got the red. Now, I think I am going to start putting some streamers on. I'm just going to lay out the dress. This one does have a bra top kind of built in, so I'm just going to make sure that's flattened. I'm going to grab my yellow streamers. Oh, they're flying away. So I am just going to put some glue on. Just do a little dot. Press it down. Repeat. Guys, it's coming along well. So I just finished, I'm almost finished the straps, and kind of what I'm doing is I'm gluing one streamer down, and then about a quarter of the way from the bottom, I'm lifting the streamer And like I said, at that about quarter mark, I'm placing another one right below it. That way, like, it gets a little more like a layered look, you know? Now, I'm just going to start adding, oh my god, you guys. Adding streamers to all of this fabric. I'm gonna be here all night. What time is it? Okay, it's 7:10. I started this at 7. I'll be back soon with an update on progress. So what I'm doing for the actual dress portion is putting a streamer down, then gluing immediately right next to it, and placing the left edge of the next one. So there's a little bit of overlap, but for the most part, the streamer's just covering space, which is kind of what I want, so I need less streamers. Okay, so this is what I have so far. My yellow streamers. Okay, I think I'm going to do one more layer of yellow and then start on the orange. It is now 7:40, so it's been a little bit of time, but I have 3 of the colors completely done. It looks like a fire right now. I have the yellow and then the orange and the red. I think I'm going to do green next. I just started cutting some color squares. I will say the sizes that I'm doing, I'll show you guys, like the different kind of general like sizes I'm doing. Some big ones, some smaller ones. I'm just kind of doing about this size. Nothing too huge. This is actually working out really well because I can cover a good amount of distance, but it's not taking me forever to glue it. We're making some good progress. We still have a lot of the dress left, but less than we did before. So guess we're gonna just keep going. So like I said, I'm lifting up the previous confetti streamer piece, and I'm going about a quarter up from the bottom and gluing down. The next, I'm putting a line of hot glue that is anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 the width of the confetti piece I'm about to put down. Now we have all of our green done. It is coming along, you guys. So I'm trying to decide, look, there's only this much left now. The entire 3 green rows in 10 minutes, which honestly isn't too bad. Okay, everyone, it is 8:23 and I am just about done. So I thought doing 3 rows of everything would be enough. I don't think it was because I have this little bit of space left. I'm trying to decide what to do. I started at 7, been about an hour and a half, and I'm basically done, which by my book is not too bad for something that looks this cool. I do just want to say I am not doing the back of this dress. 1, because I sit in an office, so they're just all going to fall off and it's not going to be comfortable. And 2, I don't have time for that. I really don't. So I forgot we already had some streamers, so I found this dark blue color, and I think I'm just going to put this at the bottom. I am done. So it is 8:35. So this dress took me 1 hour and 35 minutes, which personally, I don't think that's too bad. And I only burned my fingers a few times. They do hurt a little bit. I did end up just putting a little bit of a 4th layer of the dark blue just to kind of finish up what was on the bottom. Again, just this dark blue I showed you guys a little bit ago. And now I'm going to get started on the hats. So I do have different colored party hats. I think I'm going to do one yellow one, and then I kind of want to do one of the blue hats. Wait, so this is like, I need to figure out how I'm doing this, right? Because I want to put like one over here. This looks so silly. Ugh. Okay, yeah, I kind of want to like do this. Guys, this looks so funny. But I want to like do this and then put the streamers on like each hat. So this is like the top of the piñata. So for the party hats, just gonna want the 2 hats. Still got my glue gun. And then I have a ton of leftover pieces from the piñata. So I think I'm just gonna start by gluing them in the same order that I did for the piñata. Yeah, I kind of want to like stick with the same pattern. I am just going to apply a little bit of glue to the top of the hat. And I'm just gonna kind of wrap my confetti around it. So this is the final costume. I feel really silly, but I love it. The hats are a little difficult to get to stay on, and I did have to enlist the help of Michael to get this over my shoulders. And one thing I will say is, as you can probably tell, which I knew was going to happen to a degree, the streamers like separate a little bit when the fabric stretches. So just be mindful of that when you're placing your streamer pieces on. But I'm a piñata. I need some candy. I need to like throw some candy at people. How does a human piñata get rid of candy? Have some candy! Like, I feel like I need to do this at work tomorrow. Just like walk into someone's office and like throw them candy. Well, I hope you guys like watching me make this costume. It's a lot of fun to make and it's a lot of fun to wear. I'm really excited to wear it tomorrow to work and for all the trick-or-treaters. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!